So you have the Benany solar outdoor lights. I'm going to make a quick video showing you how to assemble these and get them installed so you know what to expect when your product arrives. But here's everything that you receive. You receive the lights themselves, the base support, and then the stakes to go into the ground. And now how you get these assembled, it's very easy. You're just going to take the lights themselves on top of that solar grid. There is going to be a small piece of plastic. You just want to remove that. And once you get that off, open these up and they're just twist off. So you can just twist them off. And there's going to be a light on the inside here. So to say off, you want to turn them on. And once you have them on, they're going to start working for you. So now we'll get these back together and then just do that same exact process for everyone that you receive. I got 12 of them, so I'm just going to do that 12 times. But now I got this assembled and on, so I'm going to move to the stakes. And these are super easy. Just take that support beam, take your stake, and push them in there. And then they do suggest putting the stakes in the ground first, just in case your ground is a little harder. You are able to kind of hammer these down where you do not want to hammer on top of this. But once you get the stake in the ground, you are able just to push these on there and they are good to go. I got a couple outside. I'm going to show you what they look like so you can kind of get an idea of how the product looks in action.